Hi guys, back to another video, and here I have my new iPhone 13, and it's the number one iPhone 13. I'm going to be unboxing it. I just unboxed the silicone case in Abby's blue, and the strap for the Apple Watch in this Abby's blue also. I highly recommend you check this out in the blue color option. And applying a screen protector. This is a privacy screen protector. Privacy screen protector basically is a screen protector when it's also tempered glass. On the front, if you face front, let's say this is your phone, right? If you face the front, you can see everything. If on the side, it's all black, so your neighbors can't see you. So yeah, that's why it's called privacy. And there's also matte screen protectors. That's quite hard to find for iPhones. So this iPhone, and then you have you can feel a little bit the iPhone. It's a shiny blue. I think it's aluminum. I think they put inside. It's quite nice. The Apple logo, same color as the phone, and the name changes with the color of the phone. So if you have a black phone, it'll be black, and if you have a white phone, I don't know how it looks like. And here at the back, you can see it's black, and then on the top, there's no plastic, as you can see, because it's for the new ecosystem. Apple's supposed to be in 2030, no plastic. Nice. I don't want to touch that glass because after you get fingerprint marks. It's quite heavy actually, it's very heavy. Okay. Oh, it does stick out a lot. I'm so happy. The silicone case, it has huge plastic bumps around it. So nice. Put this on the side here. And it's aluminum frame with glass sandwich. It's got a glass 6 on the back and ceramic shield on the front. Ceramic shield is super strong against drop, but super weak against scratches. Here we have a USB-C lightning cable. Very nice, neatly done. Just going to leave. I'll probably do this after. It's 1 meter long, I assume. Maybe one. This looks quite cute. How to say? It looks so nice. It just looks so cute, and then you have this round the corners, and then you have one Apple sticker. I don't know why that is, but it's such a shame. It has a different texture, it's more matte. And then a bunch of paperwork. And here, that's basically it. This saves the packaging so thin, this saves them lots of money for shipping, and you'll buy a second charger. As my last OnePlus phone was complete opposite. OnePlus gave you a faster and stronger charger, and here they take off the charger. Samsung does the same. So this is so cute. I just don't want to break it. It's so well done. And this is it. Okay. So I like the logo. It's quite very clear. And here I have it. It took me about ages too. I was so paranoid of messing it up. And at the end, I think 1 drop of saliva. Perfect. Nice. Don't take this on. Does protect the front a little bit. I like this case so far. The buttons are quite low. And here I have it. I'll wait for this to boot up. You can see that it's perfectly covered the camera lenses. It looks so much better in person than in photos. It's one thing Apple, here we have it. Apple's products look better in person. See, it's all black. Put this in English. Now just set this up. see. Oh, perfect. But the problem with the privacy screen protector is the maximum brightness is not as bright. This is the new notch, as you can see. This is the new notch, slightly smaller. I think it's like 20 something smaller. Shoot, I just realized now that my screen protector was not perfectly in the middle, the notch. But the notch was so well hidden when it was off, percent smaller. And then this is the home button, and this is the original notch. It was right here in the middle. I'm just setting it up. This one here is completely broken. The screen doesn't work, so you can see it's a notch size. So it does look much smaller, but it's a shame they don't have the battery.
So some people say that the notch is too, like, if the notch is past date and they shouldn't be a notch in 2021, but I have to say that they shrink the notch enough that I had to say it's still worth it, because Face ID is totally worth it. The notch is all for Face ID, 3D Face ID, whereas other Android phones all have 2D Face ID, which is not secure at all. 2D is basically like an image. And I say, and also Face ID is way better than fingerprint, but since now with the pandemic, it's not really useful, Face ID. But now with Apple Watch, if you have an Apple Watch, you can unlock your phone with your Apple Watch, which is so cool.
So what is new? Well, the camera's quite well upgraded. Just the wide, not the ultra wide. The ultra wide is the same as last time. Absolutely no zooming. There's only 5x digital zoom, which is absolute garbage. It's the same on the iPad Pro, and there's only 1x optical zoom. It's complete garbage. So this OIS sensor shift. This was on the iPhone 13, the 12 Pro Max last year, and now it's on everyone, including the Mini. It takes also a lot of space. That's one of the reasons why it's diagonal this time, the camera. So sensor shift is basically the sensor that shifts around and moves around instead of the lens moving around, which is much more smoother and better. And that's what they have on the high-end phone cameras. And there's also cinematic mode, which is super cool, but it's not only just moving around. You can also take objects, but just it's not moving around the camera. It's quite nice with blur. It's all software based. I'm probably gonna make a video on how to use this software app, not app, this mode well, and there's quite a lot of tips and tricks, but it's not very easy to use. This is a little things of the camera. So now to the display. So it's slightly 20% smaller notch, brighter screen, and now to the processor. So it's A15 Bionic. So it's 6-core CPU, and the Pro is 8-core CPU. That's another difference. Last year it didn't have that difference. The A15 is not a huge upgrade from the A14, whereas A14 was a huge upgrade from A13. So if you don't worry, and yeah, this shot here I took it on myself with my iPhone 13. So 15 billion transmitters. I don't really know what that is, but that's basically something of the processor. These plastic things where the 4G, 5G, Bluetooth, all those stuff go through. And fun fact is that's also recycled from water bottles. So this is a little list of everything on the iPhone 13, the regular one. There's also a huge upgrade in battery. It's a huge upgrade for my use, and they say it's about 2.5 hours for iPhone 13, and it's basically upgrading every corner, I would say. There's a ceramic shield, which is super durable against drop in the front, but weak against scratches, and the back just go like that. And they also upgraded the storage, and now it starts at 128, and this was a 512 now, and at the same starting price. 6, and then there's also these 5 cutters, and in the box there is no charger brick. It's just the cable and the phone itself, so it's very thin, and you gotta have a charger or you gotta pay $25 for it. And that's basically it, and I think bye, and see you in the next one. I'll be making some other videos on couch shops and my review and all that stuff coming up soon. Make sure you're subscribed. Bye. And please don't forget to subscribe and share. Bye. See you next.
Thank you for staying to the end. Not everybody stays to the end. Well, I didn't know this until just now because I didn't have my phone on before. So if you put the MagSafe case on, what happens. And now let's remove the packaging of the USB-C to Lightning cable and I don't want to break this origami, but I kind of have to use it. And let's do it in slow-mo. Let's see how it goes. Thank you for watching to the end. Bye.